Hi dears, today I've made easy and delicious prawns roast या चम्मीन roast. In hot water, I'm adding cleaned and deveined prawns just for 2 to 3 seconds. This gives the prawns a shape and make it chubby. To make a masala for prawns, you need 5 big garlic cloves or 30 small cloves, 2 inches of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, that is saunf, and half teaspoon of cumin powder, that is zira, and 2 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and half teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 green chillies, and 2 tablespoon of chilli powder, that is Kashmiri chilli powder. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and add salt to taste and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add little water coarsely grind it, no need to make a paste. The next step, you have to marinate the prawns. Add the paste. I'm adding 2 big onion, long and thin sliced, and handful of curry leaves, and salt to taste, and mix it well. Keep the marinated prawns for 10 minutes. Now time to roast the prawns. Now add oil and add the marinated prawns. Saute it for 2 minutes and no need to add water. The water from the prawns will come out. After 2 minutes, close the lid and cook the prawns the way I am showing in this video. In between, open the lid and stir till the water completely dry off. The prawns looks well roasted and water is completely dried. And at the end, add 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. Mix well and saute it for a minute, then switch off the flame. The spicy, tasty prawns roast is ready. I have made chicken roast recipe. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching.